Hey YouTube, welcome back guys. So today I'm going to unbox this. This is Kanye West Yeezy 500. Colorway is salt. Retail was $200. I got this out of Adidas.com. If you get it from Yeezy Supply, they charge you $20 additional for shipping fee. With the Adidas free shipping. The style number is E as in Echo 7287. It was dropped on November 30th, 2018. So this one is size 9. And then the resale value is pretty low actually. Right now it's about $232 at the StockX. So let's go ahead and get this unboxed. Hopefully there's no invoice. This time around the box is kind of different. Normally you get a flap on the top instead on the side. It seems like there's a receipt in there. Let me the invoice. Let me check. Yep, here is the invoice. It says keep this label in case of a return. For return, visit http://www.adidas.com/us return-help or call at the 1-800-982-9337 from 8 a.m. to 7 p.m. Eastern Time. 7 days a week. So let me give you guys a 360 view of the box real quick. So as you can see on the top, it says 500. It's kind of, the box is kind of creased a little bit right here, this line. And then on the side it says Yeezy 500, made by Adidas.com. Be sure that logo is right, kind of in the center. And then you got the Adidas logo on the bottom. So as you know, this does not say Boost because the midsole is not Boost. This is the AdiPRENE. And here is the size label. Be sure to look at this label right here. This is means for men, size 9. And also you gotta watch out for this UPC code right here, the barcode. Make sure it matches when you purchase from the reseller. This is made in China. That's the style number right there, the color. So let's go ahead and dig into the box. Oh my god, it's so tight. And this one is like a one sheet compared to Yeezy Boost 350 V2. It is a 2-layer. Wow. Here is the shoes. Got the Adidas logo right here. Another one right here. And this is AdiPRENE Plus. So this is very comfortable. I'm not sure if you can see it on the camera right now. It's kind of like a light greenish color on this midsole right here, and also on this mesh fabric. It's kind of like a light greenish, and also on the lace and on the tongue as well. So I'm not sure what they call this salt color. If you had this light greenish tint to it. And this is the label right here. You might want to look out for this label when you buy from a reseller. Make sure everything is legit. And this is on the back. Normally fake one, they only come with this label. So and it says non-marking right here. Let me try to take out the insole. I'll show you guys the label real quick. It says made in China. Try to let you guys see the. Let me turn on the flash. Kind of dark in there. So anyway, so even the insole, it looks kind of like a greenish color, light green tint to it. Wow, is it supposed to be glued down or what is it? So you got the Adidas logo, Yeezy in white, and then ultralight. As you can see, the line on this insole, and it's kind of shiny a little bit. Make sure you look for this gap or the cutout. And then there's one over here. And you got this green, yellow, red. And it says ultralight YH-0033. And then again, you got the same number again. And then size 8 through 9 right here. So let me turn on the flash real quick so you guys can see the threading on the inner part. Alright, so here's the inner part, and then I can zoom in the size label as well, since it's so dark earlier. So this one, you got the nice plush material right here. It's pretty thick, so it's going to be very comfortable. And even on the tongue, the whole tongue area, it is pretty thick. Let me zoom in the size label. So it's 07-2018, and look for the APE. So you got this nice 3M reflective pinstripe around here, and then it stops right there. Man, this is like a glue right here. It's kind of defective. So I'm not sure about Yeezy. They had their quality control is not there anymore or something. So, and as you can see, the reflective again on the pinstripe. Right here, all the way down there. Let's go and then check on the other shoes. So again, I have it feels like this is a glue that got stuck on here. And then there's another one right here, which is kind of bad. And it seems like there's another one right here, the dot. Anyway, the sway on this is pretty nice. And on the ice stay right here, you got the sway. Alright. And around this section right here too. And on the back at the heel cup. Somehow this one, it feels like a suede, but it's much softer and more smooth compared to the one over here. It's more rough. Let me take out the insole again so I can show you guys side by side. Oh, don't come out. Alright, so it's gonna be like facing the opposite direction. Anyway, hopefully you guys give a thumbs up and then like this video. Please be sure to hit that subscribe button, turn on the bell for notification, or drop any comments on below. So when you purchase this one, there's no resale value unless you're gonna wear them. So anyway, I will see you guys on the next one. Like always, peace. Stay tuned for the try on feet.